Unbeknownst to me, but beknownst to others, I developed an electrical problem. That problem would be my taillights. I did notice the other day I was burnt a little there, but left signal, right signal. Okay, seems to be working. Brake. All right, however, rear brake. Oh, you bitch, gonna make me a liar? Some sort of short. So I have to do some investigations and, okay, when I first put the lights on, when I first put the electrical system on, I did a quick job. This was like, what, 2 years ago? And I never really focused with it. I did get the air ride. At one time I did lower the air ride and it pulled a cable out. And I haphazardly put my cables in together. But what you didn't show here, my rear brake wasn't working and my left signal wasn't working. So I have to pull the fender off, take a look at the lights and see, or the cables rather, and see what's going on from here, because I need to investigate. I gotta figure out why this is happening. I was riding with my brother and a squirrel ran out in front of me. So I went ahead and I hit the brakes. And at that time, we didn't know that my brake lights stopped working. So my brother did not see me actually hitting the brakes, and he almost went right into me. Like railed right the hell into me. So I said, whatever, we'll fix up what we can. Kind of made it work. Then I started doing some night riding. This is probably a bad idea. I should probably get proper lights working right off the bat. Right off the bat, there's the blue wire. It's pulled out from somewhere. I gotta remember the wiring now. Didn't really like neaten them up right. Yep, Aussie tap pulled right out. No problem. I'm gonna get my wire snips and peel back some of that cable. Okay. Okay, it's like a the amount of money this stupid thing costs is like, it's like overpriced. Now, I like the idea because it minimized the back. I like to do the Sumo X mod. That would be freaking awesome. However, I was like, well, I already invested in all this stuff and it's, you know, $3,000 cheaper. Who knows if things get crazy. All right, so I spliced the wire and I'm putting the lead back in, and let's try to secure these better, I think. Get my pliers. Let's actually see if this works. Right. Left. Brake doesn't work. It was working earlier. To my paperwork. It's always good to keep your papers, that way if you need to look something up or go back to what you were working on. Aha, there we are. We'll find out which one's the brake. The red is the brake from the unit, and the green with yellow tracer. Green with yellow tracer is the brake from the stock harness. Yep. Here's the tracer. When you're talking about diagrams, there's a red wire and a blue wire. If you have a red wire with like a blue trace, meaning it's the little line that is the different color. So in this case, the stock color for brake was green with yellow tracer. That's here, it's hard to see, green with yellow tracer. and the light bar is red. I went to go move this, and this pulled out as well. So it was just in there working, kind of working. So what we'll do, quick, easy fix. Undo the posi tap on this one. Get the red wire. Splice, open, okay. Give it a little twist, a little McTwist action. Slide the cap through, put the red into the posi tap, like so, and then screw around and back in. I should have cleaned out some of the broken cable in there, because now it won't go all the way, but maybe some of it will fill up. Okay, let's try it. Huh? Perfect. Whew. A little investigation to work. I've been driving around like this for a very long time, and I'm like, you know what? I'm going around to it. Let's just do it, because it's now 60 out. It just came from a crazy rainstorm, and it's 60 degrees out, and then the more rain is coming, so we're like in the eye of the storm where there's no rain coming down, and it's only gonna last for like an hour or two, and the roads seem to be drying up, so I want to take the bike out for a quick rip. However, yeah, so now that I fixed it, I haven't exactly did such a good job on this, so maybe I'll take the time now and wire up some stuff above that. And I'll take a zip tie and I'll zip it so it's holding them down. Of course, I'd rather have it up. I'd rather have it tied up than down, because the air ride really hugs the tire here. Snips. Carefully now. Cut the zip. Not the ties. Oh. There we go. Whew. Where's my zip? Nice and tucked up. That shouldn't go anywhere now. Snippity-doo-dah, snippity-ay. My, oh my, the Fury's ready to play. Plenty of sunshine, plenty of rain. Zippity-doo-dah, zippity-day. Well, that's real quick. That's today's episode. Just make sure you check your cables. Make sure you do a safety check before you each and every time you ride. Now, my safety check before I ride: high beam, low beam, left signal, right signal, front brake, rear brake. Does the brake light up? Good. Then people can see you. You're not going to get smashed. It literally takes 2 seconds. If you want to go to the next step, you can check your tire pressure. But other than that, that's about it. That's all I ever do. If you ride your bike every day, you'll notice something's wrong right away. Anyway, short, sweet, to the point. The weather's getting nicer out, so grab 2 wheels and head on out. Keep ripping, all right?